Hi traders! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to check the performance of your Forex VPS using Task Manager. It's a quick and simple way to monitor your CPU and RAM usage. Let's begin. First, log in to your VPS. Next, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your VPS screen and select Task Manager. If you see a simple window, click More Details to reveal more in-depth information. Now, head to the Performance tab, where you'll find real-time data on your CPU and memory, RAM, usage. Alternatively, there are other ways to open Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Or press the Windows key, type Task Manager, and hit Enter. As a recommendation, try to keep CPU usage under 60% and RAM usage under 75%. But don't worry, in some cases, even if usage goes above 70%, your VPS may still run smoothly depending on the workload. And that's how you check your VPS trading performance like a pro. Good luck and trade smarter. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with your trading friends or community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.